Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how much arginine you should take. First, understand that arginine is an amino acid vital for many bodily functions, including nitric oxide production. Your ideal dosage is highly individual, depending on your specific health objectives and current health status. It's crucial to approach supplementation thoughtfully. Always seek advice from a qualified healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement regimen to ensure it's safe and appropriate for you. Generally, for overall wellness or cardiovascular support, a common daily intake ranges from 1 to 3 grams. If you're focusing on athletic performance or muscle support, dosages might increase to 3 to 6 grams daily. However, for specific medical conditions, much higher doses could be prescribed, but these must always be taken under strict medical supervision. Never self-prescribe high amounts. Several factors influence your optimal arginine dosage. Your body weight and overall health status play a significant role. The specific form of arginine, such as L-arginine or arginine alpha-ketoglutarate, can also affect how your body absorbs and utilizes it. Furthermore, any existing medical conditions, especially those related to the heart or kidneys, necessitate careful dosage adjustments and professional oversight. To ensure safe supplementation, always begin with the lowest effective dose and gradually increase it, observing how your body responds. Pay close attention to any potential side effects, such as stomach upset, nausea, or diarrhea. It's vital not to exceed recommended dosages without explicit guidance from your doctor, as excessive intake can lead to adverse health effects. Prioritize your safety always.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.